Hello everyone, and let's get right into it. So today I'll be using the Jet Set Gel in Clear. However, if you have black, I highly recommend that you use the black because we are using synthetic hair in this video, and normally synthetic hair comes in a 1 or 1B, and if your hair is dark brown like mine, it wouldn't match perfectly. You would definitely see that difference. So if you have the black Jet Set Gel, that'll make a huge difference in this style. So what you see me doing, I'll just be adding the gel to my hair, and I'll be brushing and combing it just to get my desired style, which is a low 1. Okay, so you can just watch the video just to see me doing that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add the weave into my hair. So what I'm showing you now is that there are 4 lines of weave, meaning that when I purchased the weave, I took the whole length of it, folded it in half, and then I folded it again. So there should be 4 lines of weave when you have it holding in your hands. And when you're looking for a weave as well, because my hair is 4C, you're looking for something with a yucky texture, something that's not so shiny and not so silky. So that's what I looked for when purchasing this weave, and this weave literally cost me $8 or $9 total. So what I did, I added the end of the weave, I added it to the base of my pony, and I put a hairpin to secure it, and I wrap it around my pony again, and I put another hairpin to secure it, and then I continue to wrap it around the pony until the length of the weave is finished. When I reach the end, you'll see me put another hairpin to secure it again, and then the hair, I took some hair and I wrap it around the pony, the base of the pony, just to hide all of the hairpins and all of the wefts from the weave. And that's it, your pony is complete. What I would normally do is I'll add some more gel, and I'll fix the edges of my hair. I will do some baby hairs, and then I will take like a hair tie and have it wrapped around my head for about 10 to 15 minutes so that all my flyaways stay down and that the style is in place. So that's what I'll normally do at this point, but I wasn't going anywhere. I just did it for demonstrational purposes, so I didn't do that in this video. So if you want to see how I style this pony using the gold elastic band, you can click the link that is going to come up right now with the little eye on the screen. You can click that link, or you can go to my page and search up how I style a pony. And thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to leave you with how I just do the finishing touches to my hair, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.